Jeez. Going for a little lap in a supercharged BRZ. First time out here, so Mendes are trying to help me out. Thanks, dude. This is gonna be crazy. Is this your first track car? Was this your first track car?
Yeah. My dad tracked a lot, and I just kind of grew up around it. And then once I got this car, I went crazy.
Jeez. You got solid bushings?
Yeah.
Dude, I felt that when you put it into gear, I'm like, oh, those are solid.
Well, I've got a few of the solid, and then polyurethane everywhere else.
So yeah, I just got basically the level before track spec polys all around them.
Okay.
I got TCK line coilovers.
Nice. Yeah, these are just Teen Street Flex A's, but they work really well.
My dampeners or stiff is better?
Honestly, dude, just drive your car how it is.
Okay.
Learn it, you know, feel it out.
Yeah,
it's your first time, so you don't really know.
Yeah, I don't need to go hard. Exactly, that's so true.
You can internet read all you want, but it's better to just go do it.
So facts, man.
niggas writing lies, I don't even write a thing. Off at the top, spitting bars, or a young nigga could sing. Yo, bitch wanna fuck me in the park on the swings. Hopped out the mud, I brushed the dirt up off my shoulder. Call me Black Rambo, got a Draco when I pull up in a Rover. FaceTime a light skin hoe, she was begging to see my dick. When she seen it, she said, whoa. Young nigga 6'6", 230, long ass dick. Young nigga riding through the city, bitch, I'm pushing on the stick. No automatic, it's a manual like a Mexican. Young nigga Flexican, shout out Black Cray. I'ma go crazy like Tracy. When I say your bitch, I say hey. Serving the foreign in my own ends, sitting back counting the lavish results of the cabbage. Don't want an average, your bitch is not a bad bitch.